Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General and a Walmart haul to share with you. This is going to be household items, kitchen items, things like that. At the Dollar General I picked up two of these Great Scents candles and they're supposed to burn up to 25 hours. They're 3-ounce candles. I picked up Holiday Cheer, which is a vanilla bakery kind of scent. And then Dragonfly Delight. And this one smells so good. This one smells good too, but I'm so excited for this one. And they were $1 each in their dollar deal aisle. Walmart up next. From Mainstays, I picked up two of their $1.10 wax melts. They used to be 93 cents, now they're $1.10. Crispy Treats. I love this one. I was hoping I would find that one. I've had this in a wax form and a candle form. I absolutely love this one. I've had this sweet sugared lemon as well, and I love my kitchen to smell like lemons, which is where I have my wax burner, so I was excited to find that one as well today. And before I forget, because I feel like I'm going to forget, we picked up 3 new pillows at Walmart as well, and a DVD player. And I had been wanting a cake pan with a lid for a long time, so from Mainstays, I found one at Walmart. This was $7.48, I believe. And I do have an upcoming spring Eastery cake recipe coming, so stay tuned for that. I'm excited to share that recipe with you. And not only do you get the lid, but this is non-stick pan, and it's a 12.7 inch by 8.9 inch. And I'm just so happy that I finally purchased one of these. Picked up this Minecraft water bottle for Connor, and he just needed a new water bottle. It's from the Zach brand, and this was like, I want to say $6.50 or something for this cup. Has a button and the lid. It's covered straw, and it's pretty nice. For what it needs it for, just a basic water bottle for around the house and school. And yeah, it'll go perfect with the, let me get it. It'll go perfect with this lunchbox my mom just got him, because he had a Batman lunchbox. He left it at school when he went back to find it in the lost and found and stuff, because this has happened in the past. It's gone. It's not in the lost and found. It wasn't where he left it. Someone took it, or they just threw it away. I'm not sure. Either way, it had his name plastered all over it and everything. I'm really bad for that, but I put the name on the lunchbox, the ice pack, everywheres. And, but yeah, it's a thermos lunchbox. My mom picked this up for him. Got him a new ice pack, which is in the freezer. And, yeah, so got the Minecraft water bottle to go with that as well. Last but not least, for cleaning products today, I picked up the Clorox Scentivia disinfecting wipes. There's 75 in here, and I've had these in a different scent. I love them. And today I picked up the Pacific Breeze and Coconut, which smells mostly of coconut, and I absolutely love the scent of these Clorox wipes. These are I primarily use these wipes for like kitchen wipe down, but I needed this one for the bathroom. I like disinfecting wipes for kitchen and bathroom for obvious reasons. But this one was bought for the bathroom. And then I've been watching Kimmy Cope, and she does cleaning videos, organizing videos, stuff like that. I'm really into those videos right now. I am doing a mass declutter of my own house. I've got several bags of trash out, several bags to Goodwill, and just declutter. And I'm on a mission. I'm going room by room. And yeah, so she was using this cleaner called the Pink Stuff. She was using the bathroom one, but I didn't know that they had a multi-purpose one. So instead of just getting the bathroom one, I got the multi-surface one, the multi-purpose cleaner, so I could do multiple rooms with this, kitchen and bathroom, anywhere I want to use it. And it's supposed to be streak-free, sparkling clean, tough on grease and grime. It's vegan. She also said that this smelled really sweet while using it. Look at that. You can take the wrap off of it. I was looking for the ounces. Oh, it's 25.4 fluid ounces. And it's the Miracle MultiPurpose Cleaner. So I just, I saw her using it and I was intrigued. So if I like this, I may just pick up the one that's for bathroom and pick up another one of the multi-cleaner for the other rooms in my house. And I hope it works great. I mean, she talked highly about it. And yeah, so cleaning products, pillows, DVD player, some smell good stuff, a new cake pan, a new cup. That's all for this Walmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls like these. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. And stay tuned for a makeup haul coming soon. Thank you so much for watching.